How are we, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well. Zoom out a bit there. Yeah, I've not kind of been around the last few days. I've been a bit busy here, sorting some stuff out and getting rid of junk and trying to make the place work and flow better. So one thing led to another, and before I knew where it was, I had the whole bench pulled out and everything. So we started again. There she is, all 16 foot and strong enough that I can walk up and down it, and if it'll hold all 18 stone of me, it won't go anywhere. So I still have a few bits to do to get a bit of laminate to put on top of this. I just put laminate flooring on it, and when it gets all scratched up or whatever, you can just replace it. So added on that section. Well, took out all the stuff I had there, kind of shelves. It was just a dumping ground, so took it all out, put that in. Same down here, put an extension onto the end, and all my hi-fi stuff will be going in a rack here, and heavy duty racking overhead. That stuff is roll bolted to the wall, so it will take any weight that's put on it. Very strong stuff. So that was the shelving that was down here in the corner. So we took all that off the wall, and I had to shorten the end one here. I had to cut it and weld it because it was too long. So I got some more of the storage drawers. I have them a while, and for some reason or another, when I was buying them, I thought I had 4, and didn't realise until it was pointed out to me by the wife yesterday or the day before that I actually had 5. So I have to wait for them to come around again now in Lidl or Aldi, or because I got some of them in Lidl and I got some of them in Aldi, and they're both the same ones. So yeah, so the vast majority of it's done. The wiring is done. I had to do it because I was just frustrating, because I was just working on that little area where the green mat is, and I had all this stuff kind of coming out at 45-degree angles both sides, and I hadn't enough room. A lot more shelf space, and yeah, so I had to take a few days out to get that done. And yeah, other than that, not much else to say. People still waiting for stuff to come here myself. I don't know. Any inquiries you make to any of the carriers about anything now, they just blame Brexit. If the cat had kittens, it's because of Brexit. So there you go. So yeah, some storage and underneath there, stuff that's not used very often, and I have like a dolly that I can pull it out with all the crates on it there. My table saw and router table, everything is in under there, and yeah, so quite pleased, and I think it looks good. So there we are. We'll get you again very soon, and have a good weekend, and we'll catch you Monday or Tuesday. All the best. Bye bye.